Hi, I'm Yeen. I'm a final year student studying Business Enterprise Development.
Hi, I'm Akash. I'm a second year student studying biomedical sciences.
And today we're going to show you around the Aston University campus.
We're kicking things off at the main building. This place has been the heart of Aston since the 1950s. Generations of grads have begun their journey at this very place, and it is continuously evolving. Despite standing for over 70 years, constant investment into lecture theatres, laboratories and teaching spaces keep things fresh and future ready.
The ground floor is home to the Student Solution Centre, which is your go-to for anything from careers, visas, finance, mental health or wellbeing support. Aston is big on employability, from pioneering the placement year to guaranteed internships for postgraduate study. Our careers and placements team are here to support you at every step. On offer are CV and cover letter masterclasses, mock interviews and employer-led skills sessions. And we get it, moving to a new city can be a lot. That's why our 24/7 security team is always on hand through the Safe Zone app, just a tap away if you ever need help.
Hey, shh! Welcome to the library. This is your new home for those late night study grinds and of course the light bulb moments. It has 4 floors, tons of quiet study spots and thousands of books for when you need to lock in. You'll also have access to millions of e-resources, whether you're using your own device, a lone laptop or any desktop on campus. And if you ever need a boost with maths or English, you'll find learning services on the first floor. They offer one-to-one sessions and workshops which you can book online.
Uni isn't just about the brain, your body matters too. Welcome to Sports Aston. Whether you're into weight training, team sports or just staying active, this place has got you covered. There's a 120 station gym, fitness studios, squash courts and even Birmingham's oldest swimming pool. Plus, student discounts make it even easier to stay fit without breaking the bank.
For lots of students, faith and reflection are a big part of life. Right across from the library, we have the Martin Luther King Multi-Faith Center. It's a welcoming space for people of all beliefs, offering calm, connection and support.
Right by the lake, you'll find the Students' Union, the top spot to relax, comfy seating, a bar and even its own chai-wala cafe. It's also where you'll find over 130 clubs and societies, from boxing to Bhangra, book clubs to board games. It's the best way to meet people, try something new and make uni life your own.
Are you planning to live on campus? Aston Student Village has you sorted. Owned by Unite students, Aston Student Village offers 5 and 7-bed flats with ensuite bathrooms and speedy Wi-Fi. It's your own space that's within walking distance of everything. Each flat has shared areas for chilling, movie nights and a lovely meal with your new flatmates. Just around the corner, we've got a Tesco, a Greggs and a Costa, which is really useful for when you need to grab a quick bite between lectures, and even better if you're a commuter student. And that's a wrap. But the best way to really experience Aston is to come and see it for yourself.
We have open days all year round where you check out the campus, meet students and get an inside scoop on your course.
See you soon.